Now, National Assembly Trade Committee is uncomfortable with allocating 4.7 billion shillings to construction of county collection centres for farm products as proposed by the Ministry of Trade. The MPs instead want the Moses Kuria-led ministry to prioritise installing infrastructure to open up special economic zones to attract investors.
The Ministry of Trade, Investment and Industry appeared before the National Assembly Trade Committee to defend its budget for the 2023-2024 financial year. Cabinet Secretary Moses Kuria lobbying for allocation of 4.7 billion shillings for construction of county aggregation centres, saying it will bring industrialization closer to all Kenyans.
Even as we look at industrialization and job creation from the top, let us look at how we can be able to do this also from the bottom of the pyramid. So that, as we say where I come from, Kitunguu ikinuka Garissa, pia inuke Mombasa, na inuke Busia, so that we can be able to do things from all corners of the country.
We also require for us to really get work going in these counties that will need about 200 million for coordination and also to do common designs, as we would not want each county to go doing their own architectural designs.
The Ministry of Trade has entered an agreement with county governments to set up an aggregation centre for farm products in each county at a cost of 500 million shillings. Each county is supposed to contribute 250 million shillings and 100 acres of land, while the national government will complement with another 250 million shillings.
We have, I don't know how many counties, 12 counties, which we can't even wait. They have put together money in the supplementary budget of the year we are ending, because it's not me, it's like Kuwajo.
But the Trade Committee is unwilling to allocate monies for aggregation centres and instead wants the ministry to prioritise installing crucial infrastructure within the special economic zones to attract investors.
We need to know the 250 Kenya shillings. What is it for? What does it stand for? Is it to construct sheds, or what is it meant for?
You already have a problem. Why do you want to get yourself into more problems? You already have that money. Why can't you use that money to sort yourselves out? Because counties will get their own money through their division of revenue. That is their function. Their function is markets.
And you can see the tone of our members. We are fair and comfortable. We do not think the exchange value for money for their 4.7 billion.
The construction of aggregation centres is set to be installed in 2 phases, the first one covering 18 counties in the next financial year. The idea of putting up aggregation centres in all the 47 counties aims at reducing post-harvest losses and thereby enhancing food security. The decision on whether the idea will be realised now lies with Parliament that is making the budget. Gishoki Washira, Prime Edition.